Hi everyone and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to add a custom page in Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what you need to do is first head over to your online store from your sales channel, left side of your screen. Once you click on that, you can see we have pages over here. Click on that, and now here you will be able to modify different settings. If you want to add a custom page, you need to click on this add a page option on top right. Once you do that, you will be able to see we have various options, like for example the title for the page. Like for example, let's just set it to about us, and I'm going to be entering some description if you want to do that. And yeah, you can also use this AI generated text, which is going to be automatically enabling you to generate text. And once you simply add your page, it will be showing up, like for example these. As you can see, we have reviews, do not sell or share my personal information, and all of these basically contact pages are custom added. So yeah, that's how easily you are able to add a custom page on Shopify. And if you head over to your front end section, you will be able to see how they are looking. You can see this contact page, this is added custom. And yeah, so I hope this was helpful and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.